Hi guys! For today's video, we will be sharing with you our experience visiting Teamlab planets at Tokyo. Join us! We're on our way to Teamlab planets Tokyo. So I think this is the entrance. The nearest station is Shintoyosu Station. It's this one. It's just like right beside the MRT station. I don't know if you can see the name, Shintoyosu Station. Ayan, mahaba yung pila. Pila na tayo. Admission line for 9:30 to 10, 10 to 10:30. 10 o'clock yung sa atin. Upon entering Teamlab planets, there will be instructions provided and also free lockers for your belongings because you're not allowed to bring your belongings inside aside from your phone camera. So there are two areas, which is the water area and the garden, and we are starting with the water area. Tubig na! Oh no! So the first room that we entered is called Soft Black Hole, which is like a room filled with soft cushions and you sink as you walk along. The next room is called the Infinite Crystal Universe, and this is probably the most popular room because I see a lot of Instagram photos online in this room. And we ourselves spend more time in this room compared to the other rooms.
Try the best not to block the pathways if possible.
Wait lang. I'm not sure what this room is called, but the Teamlab Planets website describe it as drawing on the water surface created by the dance of koi and people. So it's mostly water and light works.
Hindi maganda.
This next room is called an expanding three-dimensional existence in transforming space, where the room is filled with these spheres that changes color as you move along. It's a fun room.
Akala ko tapos na.
The next room is in the garden called Moss Garden of Resonating Microcosms, which consists of this silver thing called ovoids, which are laid out in the moss garden, and I believe they change appearance with the sunrise and sunset. But during our visit is daytime, so this is how we experience them. This next room is called Floating Flower Garden, which consists of a three-dimensional mass of flowers, which are mostly orchids, and as the flowers float up above the people, open spaces are created. So it's a nice place to take photos and videos as well. Good for Instagram posts. So that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching.